Hi, it's day 3 today in New Mexico, and we're gonna start assembling the rocket. So follow me.
Currently I'm assembling the CubeSat. This is our CubeSat, which will transmit our data to our ground station, and this is our SD card module to record our data, and this is the GPS we are going to use. That's all.
Hi everyone, so now I'm going to check on them and see what they are doing. Let's go! Hi Fatih, what are you doing here?
I'm currently waiting for them to finish the subsystem assembly so we can proceed with the full assembly. Now let's have a look.
Let's go!
We are actually taking the main parachute.
Hello! What are you waiting for?
Well, actually, I left the battery for the drill at home, so I need to go back and take the battery.
Oh no!
So that.
I wonder how you drink with face mask. Can you show me again? But the water is still the same. What are you doing?
Preparing for cleaning.
For information, she's our finance director. So yeah, all about money. What with that laugh?
I'm too tired to even know what I'm doing.
Yeah, this is a fridge, so let's see what's inside.
What do you have?
You have milk, eggs. What's that? Some type of punch. We have ice cream actually.
Yay!
Yeah, it's frozen now. Yesterday it was.
Can we eat?
I mean, yeah, you can. We bought it.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
This is for everyone. Just this.
Okay, everybody get one spoon, so you can share.
What about that? What's that?
That's
You guys bought it?
chocolate cream pie. Yes, I think we bought it. Yeah. It looks like a pizza kind of thing, but we have strawberries and unfinished orange juice, ranch. Yesterday's
This is not
vegetable.
fresh anymore.
It's not fresh anymore. Cream
cheese.
Technically butter. So,
Huh?
technically butter. So.
Okay.
Yeah. What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Hi Haris. Makan apa tu?
Spaghetti.
Sedap tak?
Enggak. Siapa masak tu?
Fana and Viveka. Makan
Sedap,
banyak.
sedap.
Still got some. Finish it.
Yeah.
Nice. Hello. Do you have anything to say to my vlogs?
So today we are preparing for them to assemble the rocket, and both of us doing for the finance. We have spent lots now.
This is only this thing.
For information, there's one guy who is in our team says that he's the most handsome guy. If you guys want to know who's that guy, stay tuned. So, this is the guy. Say something.
My name is Taulan, and I basically known as the most handsome guy in this Wau Rocketry. As for now, I just want to express my feeling of tremendously nervous, man, because the competition is just around the corner. I mean, it's not around the corner, it's just tomorrow. And the registration is tomorrow, but the launch is on the Wednesday. And as for now, the rocket is okay, but the inner feelings is not well prepared. So I hope you guys pray much for us to win the competition. And yeah, I think that's all. Thank you.
As much as you can to our most handsome guy, so that he will not be disappointed lah. And he see another team with more handsome guy.
Oh yeah. He
Okay.
just feels secure when he will.
No, he's not. Amira, you're insecure. You are not right.
I'm telling the truth.
Hi Haris. May I know what is this?
I don't know. I'm uploading.
What is that?
This is an ESP32, the microcontroller we use in pretty much all our projects right now. So right now I'm just uploading the stuff, recording to this thing.
Okay.
Not sure if it works.
So complicated.
Error out.
Hi Faza. Hi.
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 Are you tired?
Yep. After a long day of packing parachutes.
So now they are doing group discussion with Julian, our mentor.
Registration stops, and then before you all go to the exhibition booth, set up your booth, start setting up your booth. So just be prepared.
So hi dear Malaysians. So we are done with our rocket assembly for today, and catch you guys tomorrow. Bye. Bye.
Hi everyone, we are back at home now.
So tomorrow is going to be our first day in Spaceport America Cup 2023.
Are you excited?
Yes, definitely.
So stay tuned for more updates. Bye. Good night.